Consider the formula t equals 2 pi root L over g. Make g the subject. Now, this time, I'm not going to swap the sides, but that's just a bit of experience. I know what's coming with this one. So, the first thing I'm going to do is move the 2 pi to the other side. Now, 2 pi is multiplying this square root. So we're going to divide both sides by 2 pi. So I'm going to get t over 2 pi equals the square root of L over g. Now I don't want this g to be in the square root. So what I'm going to do is square both sides. That gets rid of the square root, so we have L over g. And then the g, which I want, is dividing on this side. So if I multiply both sides by g, then what I get is g t over 2 pi squared is equal to L. Now the g is where I want it. G is multiplying this square bracket, so we can divide both sides by the t over 2 pi all squared. So we're going to do that to both sides. Remember, always to both sides. And then g is equal to L over t over 2 pi squared. But we don't want to leave it there because we've got a fraction with a fraction. Now, we could write this. You don't have to. But we could square both things, and then we get t squared over 4 pi squared if we square everything in the fraction. And then think about what we've got there. We've got L divided by t squared over 4 pi squared. What do we do when we divide fractions? We keep, we flip, and we change the sign. And so what we end up with is that g is 4 pi squared times L over t squared.